Welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your wireless earbuds to your Samsung phone. Now the first thing that you have to do is check your phone and then go to the settings app and then go to connections. Now in here go to Bluetooth. Now if you see that the Bluetooth option is turned off, you can just turn it on from here. After that, look for your earbuds. If you don't see it here, just open the lid of the earbuds and it should pop up. Some earbuds will go into pairing mode once you open the lid, but if you don't see it here, what you need to do is take out both of the earbuds and then see if your phone can find them. If it does not, you can just tap on scan from here and it will look for the earbuds again, and here you can see it just found my earbuds. Now all you need to do is just tap here and then tap on pair, and as you can see my earbuds are now connected to my Samsung phone. Now some earbuds will require you to tap on them 3 times like this, 1 2 3, and then they will go into pairing mode and your phone will be able to connect to them. If you have a different kind of earbuds, you can also look at the user manual or do a Google search to see how you can pair them up. And that is how you can connect your Bluetooth earbuds or wireless earbuds to your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.